Okay, I just came back from putting a few miles on this truck since I worked on the Evap system. Long story short, the last thing I did on this truck was to put purge valve in a couple days ago, and I've got to put some miles on it so that the OBD will complete its diagnostics and hopefully give me a non-fail. So anyways, I just came back. You can see my dash. Of course, I don't have my seatbelt on because I'm in my yard. I have a tire pressure sensor that's out. It's been out for a while, and there's no check engine light. The engine is running right now. So I've only put 22 miles on it since I put in that purge valve. So right now I'm going to go ahead and, just for the hell of it, plug in the code reader and see what it says. You're going to be able to see with me if purge valve was the thing that did it. So alright, I don't really expect it to be complete, but I'm hoping it will be. Be nice if it was, you know. Alright, so all I got is like this little cheap Walmart deal. Works great, does everything I need it to do. The engine's running right now. So I'm going to take this, plug it in. It's plugged in. Hopefully you can see what it's doing. It's saying codes found 0. So that's telling me that it's already clear, that the purge valve worked. I'm going to go up and down here. I'm going to hit read codes. No, I want to go actually readiness. Right here is what I want. I gotta put on my glasses so I can see this. Everything's okay. Let's scroll down. Nope, Evap system is still incomplete, but it hasn't found, there's no code yet. So I'm going to shut it off. It's still incomplete, but there's no code yet, which means nothing is tripped. It hasn't detected a leak. It's going to need more miles. That's the thing with these OBDs. They do that system last. They do the Evap system last, and the O2 sensor last. So you have to drive the truck for a certain, or car for a certain amount of miles for it to complete that test. And obviously with me, 22 miles is not enough. Last time it was 27 miles. This time I've gone 22, so I could take it another 5 miles someplace. And if I do, the cell light's either going to come on or it's not. And if it doesn't come on, it means the OBD completed its test. It's done all the cycles it needs to do and detected whether or not there either was or is a slow leak or a little leak or some kind of leak. Either way. So I'm not going to make that special trip just to find that out right now. I can wait. You know, I mean, if I knew for sure, if I had my hopes as high as they should be, I would go ahead and do it and see how well I did with it, replacing the purge valve. But I can wait. I have patience. I'm not in any rush. Not going anywhere. Truck is safe and good to go. Inspected and the whole 9 yards. It's got everything going for it. All right, so I just thought I'd let you in on that little tidbit. I know it's a little nothing video, but you know, I keep you updated. You know. All right, have a good day.